YouTube, SKNATION, STEFFKICKS family. It's your boy, it's your guy, it's your homie STEFFKICKS, and I'm back at it with another video. You good? What's up? Guys, today's video is a beautiful one. As you guys know, it is Air Max month, but before we get into the video, guys, you know we gotta take care of business. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for returning. If this is your first time here, when you join the family, you get mall vlogs, SneakerCon vlogs, unboxings, and reviews. If that's something that you're interested in, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel down low. Now let's go. Pulled up to the Nike store and they had a plethora, I'll repeat that, a plethora of Air Maxes to choose from. The first sneaker I have on deck, guys, is the Air Max 90 Bubble Pack. Looking at this sneaker, I'm super shocked that it actually made it to an outlet. And I remember when this sneaker was released and I just thought to myself, well, that sneaker's only gonna be released in the GS sizes and women's sizes, so I'm not even gonna try. I'll just let it slide. And I really wanted it because my Air Max collection isn't the best. Being a sneakerhead, I do gravitate a lot to Jordans, and the Air Max sneaker is such a versatile sneaker. You can rock them with anything. They're super comfortable. And so I needed to make sure that I step my game up in the Air Max department. So I made sure I copped these. You have that iridescent effect on the sneaker all the way around it, on the toe box, the side, and the back. It gives you a combination of different colors, as you can see right there from this shot. You have your black Nike sign on the side. You might have wondered to yourself,
I wonder why he's calling it the Bubble Pack.
No need to worry, I got you. It's called the Bubble Pack because on the toe box here, as well as all around by the eyelets and the ankle area, you have this bubble type of material. It's just super, super sick. Of course, you have your Air Max symbol on the side in white, a white midsole. And lastly, guys, a really sick detail to this sneaker is the insoles. It has bubbles on it. I'm sure you guys can see that. That is such a sick touch. I really love that. My number one pickup for Air Max month, the Air Max 90 Bubble Pack. My number two pickup for Air Max month is the Air Max 90 Quick Strike Viotech 2.0. Just a really dope sneaker in itself. I saw these on sneakers, I tried for them, I didn't get a chance to get them. Sometimes when you like something and you try to go for it and it doesn't work out for you, it ends up coming right back around, and sure enough, here they are. It was actually inspired by the Japan exclusive Viotech Dunk Low release. It's good to note that this was an all suede sneaker. The materials weren't exactly premium or plush as I expected them to be. It doesn't take away from the design of the sneaker. Now you have your purple suede on the toe box here, the green suede on the front toe section, your game royal blue on the mudguard. You have your Nike sign in gray by the midsection. I really love the detail of the colors that they chose because to me, these colors, although they are all different, they just seem to work together so nicely and they're placed in the right positions. You have your gray laces are amazing with the gray tongue and the Nike Air Max tag. Your eyelids as well. The top part, the top section of the eyelids are black, and then the second section is in yellow. Nike symbol on the back with that slight peach color on the ankle section. The insoles aren't that special. There's really nothing to it. It's just black. My number two pickup for Nike Air Max month, the Nike Air Max 90 Viotech 2.0. My number three Air Max month sneaker is the Air Max 90 NRG Court Purple. This sneaker was released on December 19th for $140 USD or $185 CAD. I also saw a pretty weird name online, a Jacquard Court Purple. Don't shoot me, I'm just the messenger. This sneaker, guys, a definite sleeper. There are times where Nike will make a sneaker and have leftover materials. We've seen that in many different sneakers, like the Blazers that just came out, and this sneaker is the same concept. It's a sneaker that was put together with many different materials that Nike has grinded together and put onto the shoe and made into a beautiful silhouette. On the front here, you have your brick kind of red on the sneaker for the top of the toe box section, which transitions also into the Nike sign. And the materials are kind of like a yarn with a cotton type of mix. It's so detailed. It's got many different colors that show you that the sneaker is made up of many different materials that have been grinded together. You got your white laces, white eyelids, Air Max on the side in this Volt green color. The sole is white and purple. Midsole is all white. Nike Air Max on the tongue. Nike Air in purple on the back. They also came with a Volt color lace, which when you put it like that, it looks okay, but not my style. And one detail I love about this sneaker is the insoles. It's really soft and cushiony. It's a little thin, but nonetheless, it's so cool because it's got these little speckles of different materials, or kind of looks like almost like a birthday cake kind of thing. And on the other side, it's many different colors. They take those materials and make something else out of it so that it's used and it's not just thrown away. On the tongue itself, I don't know if you guys can see that, but there are a bunch of different colors that I could see. And it looks like that's a grinded amount of different materials that they use to put inside the tongue. The toe box itself is just a normal leather, really smooth and nice. If you have the latest Fire Red 5 release, it's the same material. It feels exactly the same. Doesn't seem like it's very durable, but nonetheless, dope sneaker. The Air Max 90 NRG Court Purple, my number 3 pickup for Air Max month 2021. Before we get out of here, SK Nation, I just wanted to bring something to your attention. This is very important. Listen up. Whether you're a sneakerhead, a reseller, we all need to clean our sneakers. And oftentimes we want to be able to buy the products that clean our sneakers in the best way possible. You know, the companies that understand the struggles that we go through when we are trying to clean our sneakers. But sometimes those products are very expensive and it's hard for normal people like you and me to be able to afford these products. And that's why I keep trying to tell you guys, stick with STEFFKICKS, I got you. I'm working with a company called CleanKicks. They sent over a care kit for me to try out. From what it says on the package, this product is 100% plant-based and derived from all natural ingredients. I just wanted to make sure that I thanked CleanKicks and my guys over there for sending out this product. I'm going to be trying it out and letting you guys know exactly how it works. Look out for a video very soon to see how well this product does. Everybody make sure that you guys go and follow them on IG. Check out their YouTube page as well. I'm gonna go home and try it right now. Salute CleanKicks for sending over the package. Thank you. SK Nation, STEFFKICKS family, thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I really appreciate your time. Please make sure that you remember to hit that like button. It goes a long way for YouTubers. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying our content. Hit that little bell notification so that every time I post a video, it comes directly to you and you know when a video is out. You're on the way to 3,500 subs, as well as the goal to 5K. If you share this video and share other videos, you're much appreciated. I love all of you guys. Thank you so much. It's your boy STEFFKICKS. As we always say, shoe love is true love, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one. Yeah! It ain't never coming down. Down, 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 down. Up and down, yeah.